Hello YouTube, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. This video is about the article Cable Beach, Broome on Australia Unwrapped.com. Australia is the world known for its pristine and gorgeous beaches. One can easily find few beaches of the country in the list of favorite beaches of the country. Cable Beach is 22 kilometers long beach near Broome in the Kimberley region of Western Australia. It stretches beside the mesmerizing blue of Indian Ocean. Cable Beach is one of the most popular tourist places in the world. The white sand in the contrast of the aquamarine Indian Ocean is a sight to behold. You can click a lot of photographs because the beach is famous for its postcard beauty. The camel rides and the stunning sunsets are to be reckoned with. Cable Beach, Broome, where Cable Beach is located, is known as the pearling capital of Australia. And an interesting fact about the beach is that from a short distance to Cable Beach, Reebok Bay is known for its optical illusion staircase to the moon occurring between March and October. For further details, click the link below and comment, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you down there.